guess putting the window down helped a little bit, huh? YouTube, what's good with y'all boys, man? We are back with another video. And as y'all can see, car look way different from y'all seen it last time. And that's because, wait, I gotta turn this car off, bro. I'm not here to talk y'all heads off or none of that. It's about to rain in like 20 minutes probably, I think. I don't know. As y'all can see from the front end, we got this lip on the car. I put an intake in here when we went to Jersey, and we put an exhaust on here. So today what I'm gonna do is probably leave the tripod right there and let y'all boys hear the intake and the exhaust. I'm gonna walk around the car so y'all can see the intake, the front lip, and shit like that. But as y'all can see, I got the front splitter on here. I put this on yesterday. As y'all can see, it don't look that bad, bro. In my opinion, it make the car's front end look way better than it did without a lip on it. Let me know what y'all think. Let me walk y'all right over to the intake. And as y'all can see, we got this mad intake. If y'all don't know where I got this intake from, go look at the mods list video that I dropped probably like 2 days ago. We got this mad intake from West Coast Euros. And I just put this on when we went to Jersey like maybe like 4 to 5 days ago. And this shit sound crazy. Wait till y'all hear it. If you come over to the back, as you can see, let me take y'all closer. As you can see, we got a brand new exhaust on here, man. Well, new to me. With that being said, man, no more yapping. Let's get it, man. As y'all can hear, this shit sound crazy as fuck. And low-key, I wish I would've got this intake to sit in the engine bay. Wish I really had one before. Sitting in the engine bay, then I got a front mount. And I could tell you, from my opinion, the intake sitting in the engine bay sounds way better because you can hear for yourself. But it's all personal preference at the end of the day. Time for the intake and the exhaust together. I got Sydney coming up here right now. This shit about to sound crazy, bro. You wanna talk to them? Tell them what's wrong with you. Come back here.
Look, talk right here. Say what's up. No, show the camera. And talk about it. Talk about your doll.
What's the doll's name? Let me show it to them.
Don't show the face.
What's wrong with the face? It look fucked up?
She colored on it.
What you do to the face? I gotta go. Mwah. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, Grampy.
Bye, Fappy.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Mwah. You're not even looking at the camera. Go kiss Grampy. Kiss the camera. Mwah. All right. Bye. Can you turn the car off for me?
You want to tell Daddy what you did?
I gotta get my pocket through. Let me know what my next mod should be. I was gonna put the lowering springs on too, but I didn't get to put them on. Let me know what type of videos y'all boys wanna see with the car, man. I got a lot of shit coming for y'all, but I need to hear y'all ideas too. You know what I'm saying? Because after all, you guys are watching and not me. I'm just the creator. But like I'm saying, man, what the fuck? Oh, I'm not used to all this bougie shit where I'm pressing the trunk for it to close and shit. I'm an F30 dude now. I just can't stop looking at the front end now that the lip is on here, man. Look how crazy that shit look. That shit look amazing.
Early the next morning.
Can't get a cold start. B58 boy. At least we can hear from in here, right? Don't even feel like I got nothing on my head right now. Just the hat.
That's crazy.
I know.
Do a run POV.
Listen to that intake. Hear that shit?
I will replace it.
Is it cause it's cold?
What?
The pops just sound loud as fuck.
I think it's just the pops.
These not even tuned burbles.
Damn.
Bumbleclad.
Not really.
That second gear kicked like a bitch. Yeah, I could not hear all that intake in my last car. Like up here.
Yeah.
I could hear the whoosh, but I can't hear like the whole
The whole thing.
the whole thing.
I so wish Duncan was open. People say they're gonna put in a room with
You want to drive there?
Where?
Wisconsin?
If you're down. You can get McDonald's
Are
from
we
Wisconsin
really?
DoorDash, you know?
Right here?
Like here, yeah.
Really?
I was at work and I was like, and
To be more comfort. I gotta fix whatever that is, bro. You see what I'm saying? It needs to be tightened. See it? That's what I'm saying.
it's like it just needs to be. What? What's wrong with you?
That sounds crazy. I'm not gonna lie. That's not even full throttle. And when I'm going full throttle, I don't hear it like that.
The intake?
Yeah.
It's loud.
Bumba. Wow. I guess putting the window down helped a little bit, huh? Oh shit. We got some pops, nigga. That's nice, that's nice.
Yeah.
God damn.
Watch it.
that shit?